In this video, I'll show you how to create a force-directed graph in Power BI to visualize an organizational structure. Open Power BI Desktop. First, load your dataset containing the source, target, and value columns. In this case, source represents the higher management, target represents the employee, and value defines the employee count under each source. Next, go to the Visualizations pane, click on the three dots, and select Get More Visuals. Search for Force-Directed Graph and add it to Power BI. Now drag the Force-Directed Graph visual onto the canvas. Assign source to the source field, target to the target field, and value to the weight field. Power BI automatically creates a network view. The CEO appears at the center, VPs form clusters around it, and managers and employees branch outward. Highly connected nodes appear closer together. You can click on any node to highlight reporting relationships and explore department structures interactively. And that's how you build a force-directed graph in Power BI. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.